Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language classes. Yesterday, with one of my groups, we were discussing all the different jobs that we'd done over the years. And I told my students about the fact that when I first left school at the age of 18, initially I decided not to go to university and instead I got a job. And my very first job was working 12 hours a day in a pickle factory, making this kind of thing here. In England, people often will put this in a sandwich with cheese, and I worked on the production line of a pickle factory. I spent 6 months doing that, earning minimum wage, and it was incredibly grim. It was quite an oppressive working environment. And in the end, I left, thank God, and decided to go to university. At the end of this story about my pickle factory experiences, I said, I dread to think what would have happened to me if I'd stayed there. If you say that you dread to think something, you mean that you don't like to think about it because it's too horrible, it's too worrying. So maybe if you have terrible toothache and you have to go to the dentist, there's nothing you can do about it. Maybe you hate going to the dentist but needs must. But of course you worry about the cost. So you might say, I dread to think how much it's all going to cost. Maybe if you and your partner have teenage children and you go out for the evening, leaving them at home, or maybe even you go away for the weekend, leaving them at home, you might ask, what do you think the kids are up to at the moment? I dread to think. Nothing good, I bet. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of things that you dread to think.